Did you know that some tiny nuts can actually rival meat and eggs when it comes to protein? Yes, those crunchy little bites that we often snack on casually can be serious powerhouses for your muscles, your energy, and your overall health. If you've ever wondered which nuts pack the most protein, you're about to find out, and the answer might surprise you. Let's start with almonds. These are not just popular for their crunch and taste, they're also loaded with protein. Just a handful, about 28 grams, gives you around 6 grams of protein. That's like a small egg. Plus, almonds are great for heart health and keeping your blood sugar stable. They're like the overachiever of the nut family. Then we have peanuts, technically not a nut, but we treat them like one anyway. They contain a whopping 7 grams of protein per ounce. That's more than a boiled egg. No wonder peanut butter is a gym favorite. But just remember to go for the natural kind, without added sugar or oils. Next up is pistachios. These are the fun ones to crack open, and they're packed with around 6 grams of protein per ounce. The best part? You can eat more of them because they're lower in calories compared to some other nuts. It's like snacking with benefits. Cashews are creamy and slightly sweet, and while they have a bit less protein, about 5 grams per ounce, they still offer healthy fats, minerals, and a boost of energy. And we can't forget about walnuts. They're known more for their omega-3 fats than protein, but they still give you around 4.5 grams per ounce. If you want a nut that supports both your brain and your protein needs, walnuts are a solid pick. But if you're really looking for the protein king among nuts, try out hemp seeds or pumpkin seeds. These are technically seeds, but they contain even more protein, sometimes up to 9 grams per ounce. Sprinkle them on salads, oatmeal, or blend them into smoothies. So next time you're reaching for a snack, grab a handful of these protein-rich nuts. They're tasty, portable, and they work hard to keep your body strong.